guys, today I have the Look Fantastic beauty box for the month of September, and I thought we could just unbox this together. As always, they do have a little beauty booklet, and I love when companies do this just because it's so helpful to actually know what the product is or how to use it. And they do have a tissue paper, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox this together. So the first thing that I see in here is a smoothing body exfoliant. I'm all about doing some sugar scrub on my body, and this one actually has alpha hydroxy and is supposed to give you an intense hydrating re-texturizer. So it's supposed to help with bumpy skin, very dry skin, rough skin, or ingrown hairs. And wow, that's quite the claim here. So it says to use 2 to 3 times a week. I won't be saying prices because they don't have the prices in here. They have like descriptions on how to use them, but I don't see any price points, so I won't have like a total value or how much each one is. Next thing in here is a brightening sheet mask. This has collagen, vitamin C, and aloe vera. I love sheet masks. They're just so easy, so fun, and it's also convenient when you have a child, and that way you can just like put it on. If you gotta take it off, you just like throw it away. And this has vitamin C and is supposed to be an anti-aging formula. It says that you leave it on for 15 minutes. The next thing in here is the Christoph Robin mask. Oh, hydrating melting mask. So this is for your hair, and it has aloe vera. It's supposed to give you hydrated hair, shiny and plumped length. So I will definitely try this out because my hair is very thin and it needs some plumpness. It's life. And this is a really nice size. This is 1.3 fluid ounces. So I feel like I could at least do like 2 masks from this, basically because my hair is pretty thin. If you had really thick hair, you would probably use this whole bottle up. Next thing in here is the by Terry. This is the Balm de Rose. I actually own this already and love it. This smells like roses, leaves your lip really, really nice and hydrated. It's bougie. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This thing is very expensive. By Terry is very, very expensive. A lot of celebrities use this brand, and this lip balm it's life. Okay, I don't think I would ever purchase it, but I do really, really love it. Next thing in here is the SVR Laboratory. This is a hyaluronic acid and omega-3, 6, and 9. It says it's a palpebral cream. I hope I didn't butcher that. It says it's for irritated eyelids, anti-itching soothing cream. Ooh. So apparently this is for like if you have any kind of irritation on your eyelid. So I don't have that issue, so I might just give this forward. But if you had issues with that, then this might be something that you might want to look into. It says that it helps with irritated eyelids, like if you have itching, and it helps soothe it. And it does have like, it gives like a soothing barrier, and it's supposed to have like it says glycolic acid, and it's supposed to soothe and be an anti-irritant. And then the last thing that I see in here is by the brand Mina. I actually really, really enjoy that brand. I've tried a few things from them, and this is the Color Pen Eyeliner. This is a felt tip, and to be honest, felt tip is not my cup of tea, so I might just give this forward, and so I'm not going to swatch it or anything, but it's literally just a dark brown felt tip liner. And that is everything that came in the beauty box edition. It has a lot of skincare and you know, some hair care, and just like the eyeliner, I think, and the lip balm are the 2 lip And that is it for the beauty box from Look Fantastic. Let me know what you guys thought. It has a lot of skincare in there, and then it also has the eyeliner. The By Terry, I feel like it's more skincare because it's more like a lip balm. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you like this box? Is this your cup of tea? I'd love to hear from you down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you want to see more unboxings, beauty videos, definitely subscribe. I'd love to have you follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.